What's up, y'all? This is me feeding my baby bird that was in my fireplace. I got to chirp at him. Now I feed him. He knows that chirp is chow time. There you go. Eat it up, buddy. Hopefully he'll live if I can keep him eating long enough. Now watch, if I try to feed him like this, he usually don't eat. Oh, look, he might be eating. See, he won't eat it, he'll stop. But then when I give him his chirp, speak bird. Good bird. Try it again, see if he'll just eat out of my hand. Apparently I can speak to him just like his mama. Won't do it. He'll lick his lips and clean out what he's already eaten, but he will not eat out of my hand. Now if I do it like this, sometimes without the chirp he won't even eat it. He's ready now. Alright, you're hungry. He will not do it unless it's off my thing. I can talk to him too, watch this.